All I need is your love tonight. All I need is your love tonight. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Daryl and this is Future Proof. In this channel, I teach you how to invest in cryptocurrencies, how to save your buying power, and most importantly, how to be profitable in this space. Guys, look at this sea of green right in front of us right now. It's amazing. It's great to see. And I do want to touch on something. Yesterday, I didn't make a video, but I was watching so many YouTube videos saying the same thing, same goddamn thing. Bitcoin's going to crash since we hit the 618 level on the Fibonacci retracement, and I was calling bull. You see in my last video here, I made this video warning you guys, proof that there's a massive Bitcoin pump coming. And if you're listening to all these guys, first of all, one person makes the video, everyone has copies, and they're all pushing out the same exact narrative. Go against the crowd, guys. When you see this happen, it's because they're not really putting the amount of work that I put in these charts to show you guys the real valuable TA that's gonna make you money. They're all just repeating each other's like sheeps, okay? We're not sheeps in this channel, in this community, and with my Patreons, we are wolves, all right? We do not react, we act, and we wait for those gains. That's how we do it, and that's how we make money. And if you appreciate that I take my time to bring you guys these valuable TA and information on why the price of Bitcoin is going to accelerate from where it is right now, and altcoins are going to see double-digit gains this weekend, please click the like button, subscribe to the channel, drop a comment below. Let me know if you like what I'm doing and if you want me to keep on these hot topics coming. All right. So guys, overall today, you can see the whole market is up 3.9%. I have some really important things that I want to share with you guys today. So I really hope you watch this video to the end, because you know how valuable my videos have been and how on point they have. Guys, Bitcoin. All right, so right here, we call this double bottom. We call this falling wedge double bottom pump that was going to bring us to 50K. On this channel, we called it. I don't know what channels you guys are looking at, but we called it here. We called the bottom on BTC. And right here, I have all these YouTubers I see coming out with this narrative, right? This narrative that, oh, because from the top, if you take the Fibonacci, resistance from the top, where we at? All right, from the top right here to the bottom right here, we're hitting this area 6.18, and we're gonna crash, because that's what happened in 2017. They're missing one key factor. This is not 2017. We're in 2021 now. The market is different. Things are different. Institutional adoption is taking place. Banks are getting involved in cryptocurrencies. All over, you have all these big tech giants coming into cryptocurrencies. You have all the billionaires coming into cryptocurrencies. There's only 21 million Bitcoin out there, and there's way over 21 million millionaires. So that's something to keep in mind. It's all about supply and demand. It's these guys, they're trying to trade everything. So yes, this is a trading channel. I teach you guys how to trade. But our strategy is also holding for the long term. Because, believe me when I tell you this, most of these traders miss out on the biggest Bitcoin moves. And that's a fact, okay? Because they're more worried about the short-term volatility than they miss out on the life-changing money, okay? Yeah, you can make $200 a day trading or more, whatever. But these moves that happen in a very short period of time can make you the most money in the shortest amount of time. And if you sometimes trying to trade every little volatility, you tend to miss out on these big moves because you're trying to limit your losses thinking that prices are going down. And guys, in this channel, we pick winners, okay? We pick winners and we follow them. I brought this to your attention that we have a bullish MACD cross on the weekly on Bitcoin. Who else is talking about this? No one else is talking about this. Everybody is talking about 0.618 Fibonacci retracements. That Bitcoin's going down to 20,000 now. I used to tell you guys we were going down to 20,000, but then the trend has changed and we had a bullish reversal. And you need to be very flexible in this space, to not have one mindset. Be very flexible, because when the trend changes, you must change with it. You must adapt very quickly, or you're going to miss out on some of the biggest opportunities of your lifetime. Okay? And that's what we're going to talk about today. And we're going to talk, if you want to know how high Bitcoin's going, my last 2 videos tells you that. Okay? This video, we're going to be talking about the mid to short-term outlook for BTC. We're going to be looking at Ethereum. We're going to give you guys some crazy setup on some coins that have round bottoms. In this channel, I brought to you all the golden crosses. You see how much money we made from these golden crosses. Golden crosses happen very early stage of a bullish reversal. And me and my Patreon, we are literally up in crazy amounts because we take this narrative, we focus on what works. Fibonacci retracement is just, it doesn't really work. It's not a valid, it's not really that valid, okay? Sometimes it happens in luck that it does fall in that area, but it's not a valid technical indicator that only see people in crypto use it. It's because people in crypto are young and they're of course, they see something work once or twice, they think it has to go that way, okay? Past action does not determine future behavior. Remember this. And yes, I'm going to be giving you guys some round bottom coins that I think are going to be doing some massive gains. Right now, guys, let's get started on Bitcoin. Key things to note. First thing to note is that BTC is following literally my ugly little drawing to the 11 right now. We literally had this double bottom. We broke over it. I told you guys we're going to come in this box and go sideways. That's what I said, and that's what's happening. Understand that in this short period that Bitcoin is going sideways here till next week, we may see altcoins explode. And I'm also going to be showing you guys some things as to why. I told you before, when Bitcoin pumps hard, like $1,000, $2,000 a day, altcoins get hit. When Bitcoin falls, altcoins get hit. But when Bitcoin goes sideways is when you see the most gains in altcoins. So this is a very important concept that you need to screw in your brain. All right. So right now, what I see happening is there is potential that this comes back to 49.50K and get a double top rejection. People are going to get scared. People are going to panic if this happens. But if you follow this channel and you're watching my videos, you know this is to be expected. We come back here, come back down, form a double bottom before we literally take out, okay? Before we take off. That's my view for Bitcoin in the short term to midterm. Understand that for BTC right now, there's not a lot of resistance from 50K to 58,000, okay? There's very low resistance. This area here is a very difficult area, but once we break this area, we will accelerate back to the previous all-time high we had for BTC at 64,000 very quickly. It's gonna happen very quickly. All right, so understand this concept and understand why you should not just listen to everyone they're saying on YouTube. If you see everyone saying the same thing, do the opposite. 100% you're going to be accurate. That's why on this channel, I literally always come out and do the opposite with logic and also with good TA. When all these moon boys I can be a moon boy too sometimes, but when all these other moon boys, when BTC was going down here, we're telling you, we're going to just pump right away. I was here for you guys on this channel telling you guys, no, no, don't. I was here telling you guys, do not get in this. This was a bull trap written all over it. All right. And I was able to save a lot of you money because that's what I'm here for. If you appreciate this, you know what to do. Now, we called the bottom. On this channel, we called the bottom on Bitcoin. Please go watch my last videos. No one else called that bottom like we did. Then BTC pumped. We got to this area. All these moon boys, which are now crazy bears. I know a lot of YouTubers that are like moon boy status turned to crazy bears right here because they got PTSD from 2017. That's what happened. And they are like, don't get in, sell, we're going to crash because we're hitting 0.18 Fibonacci retracement. Bullshit. Right now, guys, we are in the verge of the biggest Bitcoin move in Bitcoin history. And if you're listening to fake gurus, and I don't pretend to be a guru myself, I am literally a regular person that made a lot of mistake in this space. And I wished I had someone like me to guide me. You know, I used to follow all these YouTubers that were literally picking out low cap gems that they probably pre-bought, and then they pump it and then dump it on their followers. My channel's not even big enough to do that. So right now, you're getting the most legitimate, most honest analysis in this YouTube channel, and you should be really happy that you even find my channel. All right. So with that said, we're about to enter one of the biggest pump in Bitcoin history. Okay. And I really hope that you guys are ready for this. Now, I also want to change to this chart where I have my 50 and 200 MA on. You can see, as I said in my video, that BTC came and retested the 200 MA on the daily and found support. Guys, you don't understand how huge this is. If you're over the 200 MA, we're in bullish territory. All the big analysis know this. All the big institutions know this. These people on YouTube giving you guys fake, misleading calls, literally telling you guys we're going to dump here, and comparing this to 2017, where when that happened, we weren't over the 200 MA. It makes no sense. That's why on this channel, we're very level-headed. We don't react, because if you're reacting, you're losing money. We lay our eggs and we wait for them to hatch. That's what we do. Now, BTC is looking really good, very bullish. We found great support over the 200 MA. I'm expecting us to go sideways for a little bit and for all coins to start having their party. It's going to be a very bullish weekend, guys, and I hope you guys are excited for this. All right, now I do need to touch on Ethereum, because Ethereum is going to rock faces and make babies cry. Guys, Ethereum is getting ready for a massive move. Massive, massive move. Honestly, I don't know how high it's going to go. The only thing I know is Ethereum is potentially going to flip Bitcoin this cycle. This sounds crazy to you right now, but if we're looking at the coin market cap, looking at the market cap of Bitcoin at 900 billion, looking at the market cap of Ethereum at 380 billion, Ethereum only needs to do a 3x to flip Bitcoin, which I think is highly possible because of the EIP 1559 upgrade that's making Ethereum deflationary and more attractive asset. And not to tell you of all the development that's happening in Ethereum, with Ethereum 2.0 fully getting released this year, there's a lot of catalysts in place to literally send Ethereum to the moon. My levels that I'm looking for Ethereum, okay? And I'm completely being realistic and I'm not over exaggerating. I do believe Ethereum will reach $10,000 by the end of this year. It is highly possible, okay? And if Bitcoin stays where it is, Ethereum would definitely be flipping it, all right? This is my view on Bitcoin and this is my view on Ethereum. So guys, if you don't have any Ether, and I don't know what to tell you because I've been telling you guys Ethereum is going to be one of the best investment of your lifetime. Well, if you're looking for something that's going to be pumping, because obviously you come to this channel, you want to make some money, I'm going to be giving you guys round bottom projects. Not round bottom projects, but coins that formed round bottoms before a parabolic breakout, okay? Why are round bottoms very important? Because they pay the bills. All right, GRT. I gave GRT a couple of videos ago, and I already see people asking GRT. Guys, I want you guys to have faith. If one thing is, when I stand by a coin and I bring it back to you back to back, I'm very confident that there's going to be a big move. And I appreciate all of you for coming to my channel and watching my videos when I post them. And I want you all to make money, okay? This thing is going to rip faces. You're either on this boat or you're going to miss this boat. GRT is the Google of blockchain. This is a big project with big people behind it, with big money on it. It's not one of those low cap coins. This thing is going to rip. We have broken out of a downtrend, okay? We formed a round bottom, okay? And I'm gonna bring it up to the 250 MA because I've already told you guys, me and Patreon have been buying here since we had this golden cross, okay? You know what happens after a golden cross, upside. But you know what's even better is when you get all these combinations in a chart. This signals bullish, explosive, parabolic moves. Very, very important. Look how this thing on the 200 EMA here found support. This blue line. Very bullish. This whole time we were going down, we were under it. When we got over the 200 EMA, it was bullish. And now we came and tested support on the round bottom. And you're telling me I'm the guy that was giving you guys GRT when it was at 30 cents. Okay? 30 cents. I was sharing GRT on my channel. GRT pumped to $2.80. Okay, my followers then, from when I shared it and my Patreon, we did about 663% gains on this move. Okay, right now, I'm warning you guys, we're about to see a bigger move. Easy 200% to reach the previous all-time high. My target for GRT, mid to long term or midterm, $5. Easy. I can also see GRT hitting $10. Easy. So this is one that I have for you. Next one that I also shared because you guys want instant gratification because you're new into crypto, but understand this is not how this space works. The people who are patient are the ones who are rewarded. Okay? Very, 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 very important. Next one I want to touch on is Engine Coin. I told you guys about this in my last video. Some of you probably already losing hope because Engine didn't explode right away because you want instant gratification. That is not how you play this game. And this is a game because you're playing against other people. You're trading against other people. Engine Coin is one of the biggest NFT projects with government partnerships and also major partnerships in Japan, and has paved the way for a lot of these NFT gamings that you're using right now. Round bottom curve, breakout imminent. Look how we got supported by this 200 EMA. Amazing. This thing can still be accumulated, because once we break over this level, which is basically, we broke over a little bit, but we're gonna break over it again. Once we break over this level, this thing's gonna run. Okay, that's why I'm sharing it with you guys. Me and my Patreon, we're already locked and loaded, and I'm only bringing like legitimate good projects that has major upside potential to you guys. Next one, INJ. I had some people drop in the comment they regret that they didn't hold INJ when I told them to. They bought, they weren't patient, they sold. INJ pumped, did about 100%, 133% for me and my Patreon, and did about 100% to whoever held since I made my YouTube video. Check this, round bottom, okay? Check this. Right here was this major resistance line right here at $11. We pumped, went to $14, came back, retesting this level, past resistance, future support. This is going to give INJ so much support that it is literally going to accelerate very quickly. INJ could literally pump from here to $24 in a matter of days, and that would be 113%. We already did 100% here, get another 100% and you 2x, baby. This is how you trade and to be profitable. We are not sheeps, we are wolves. This is why I made this channel, to teach you guys how to be future proof, because the government is screwing up with our future, printing as much money as they can, and we have to do something to protect ourselves. If you're not protecting yourself and making sure that you have a good future, then you don't love yourself, okay? You need to love yourself to do what's best for yourself. This is a recipe for a parabolic run. This is what I'm going to share. Another one I want to share with you guys is 1inch. 1inch, you guys know I'm a big fan of 1inch. I'm all about these decentralized exchanges. 1inch just had an app drop on the App Store. It's amazing. 1inch is a DEX aggregator. It takes the best prices from Uniswaps and all these other decentralized exchanges. And also, they're also integrated with Binance Smart Chain and potentially even Matic in the future. Round bottom. Broke out of downtrend. Round bottom. Pays the bill. This one is still very early. Me and my Patreon, we've been buying 1inch as every time it goes under $2. So we've been loading up here. For us, this is still up about, well, right now, still up about 78%, but we went up to 97%, 98%. What I want you guys to understand here is this is one of my favorite projects because of how it's going to change a lot of things. The only thing holding this back is Ethereum gas fees, and they're refunding you Ethereum gas fees. No brainer. 1inch, round bottom, came back, found support on the 200 EMA. Look at this MACD cross. Look at this small volume coming in now. It's small now. Now it's going to get pick up. This thing is prime for some upside. Next level to take profit would be $5. That would be 82% gains from where you are right now. All right. So this is what I wanted to share with you guys. I wanted to keep this quick, give you guys just this value straight up, no BS here. I want you guys to understand something. This is an opportunity to make life-changing money. The people who are going to be left behind are the people who didn't take the risk, or the people who didn't do the research, or the people who didn't love themselves enough to put in the work to benefit in the future. All right. And this is what we're all about here in this channel, Future Proof. If you guys are interested, I highly recommend Like, I really wish that I had someone hold my hands the way I hold my Patreon's hands. If you're really clueless about what you're doing and you're tired of losing money, do yourself and your wallet a favor. Become a Patreon. Link is in the description down below. We are literally like a family now. We have calls every Sunday afternoon, live calls on Discord. I share the charts. Everyone asks their questions. You will literally have me there to assist you and guide you. There's not a lot of spots left, okay? And right now it's only like 20, well, I think the $20 over, but $30 a month. You literally make that back in one trade. And if you've been watching my channel, you've already made that just from my free calls. So show me some love, come support. And I want to help a lot of the newbies that you're just tired of just following random people and just buying things that they just say, come join our group, come join our family. We will guide you. We all help each other. When someone has a question, other people that were literally beginners are now sounding like pros in our group. It's amazing. It's amazing. It's a great thing that I'm doing. I love it. I mean, I have people from all over the world in this group, and it feels amazing. And I'm very proud to guide them. And nothing makes me more happy than when they're so happy with all the gains they've been making. All right. This is all that I have for you guys today. I hope you guys appreciate that I took my time to make these videos. If you did, you know what to do. Click the like button, subscribe to the channel, drop a comment below, click the bell notification because YouTube try to censor crypto contents. And yeah, guys, let's make some money. We're in the green. It's going to be a great weekend, and I hope you guys are excited for what's to come. Remember, be well, stay safe, and most importantly, future-proof.